Ever wondered how much it would cost to tint your car windows? It's a question that comes with a variety of answers, dependent on many factors. Today, the aim is to demystify the costs associated with different types of tint materials and provide clarity on what you could expect to pay. Firstly, it's important to understand the four main types of window tint materials. Each one comes with its own unique benefits and, of course, costs. Dyed window tint is the most affordable option. It's a simple solution that offers a degree of privacy and blocks some sunlight. However, it's not particularly effective at blocking heat and can fade over time. For a standard four-door sedan, you could expect to pay between $100 to $200. Metallized tint, on the other hand, is more durable and effective at blocking heat. It's made of tiny metallic particles that reflect sunlight. This type of tint typically costs between $200 to $300 for a standard four-door sedan. Next up is carbon tint. This option provides a significant reduction in heat and prevents upholstery from fading. It's a mid-range option that doesn't fade over time like dyed tint. A carbon tint job could cost between $250 to $400. The premium option is ceramic tint. It's the most effective at blocking heat, doesn't interfere with radio waves, and offers excellent visibility. However, these benefits come at a cost, with ceramic tinting often costing between $300 to $500. These costs can fluctuate based on the size and type of vehicle. Larger vehicles such as SUVs or trucks can cost more due to the larger surface area. Similarly, vehicles with more complex window shapes can also increase the cost. Another factor to consider is regional differences in labor costs. Tinting windows is a skilled job, and labor costs can vary significantly from one region to another. In areas where labor costs are high, you could expect to pay more for the same job. The number of windows being tinted also plays a role in the final cost. Tinting all windows will naturally cost more than just tinting the back windows, for example. Legal considerations are another factor that could affect your tinting options. Different regions have different laws regarding how dark your tint can be, and failing to comply can result in fines. In conclusion, the cost to tint car windows can vary greatly based on a variety of factors. The type of tint material, the size and type of vehicle, regional labor costs, the number of windows, and local laws all play a role in determining the final cost. When choosing a tinting service, it's vital to consider these factors and ensure you're getting a good deal. Remember, the cheapest option may not always be the best. It's also important to ensure your chosen tint complies with local laws to avoid any potential fines. And there you have it, a comprehensive breakdown of the costs associated with tinting your car's windows. With this knowledge in hand, the process of selecting the right tint for your car should be a little less daunting.